like energy on this pullback. I really do. I mean, when you have companies forcing, not companies, but investment firms that control most of the stock, forcing oil companies to stop drilling, it's going to means the price is going to go a lot higher. I think prices will surge over $100 a barrel, even at current levels. These companies are trading to a huge discount compared to 3-4 years ago, when oil prices were at similar levels. And you're looking at their balance sheets are much more healthy. They cut costs tremendously. Now they're seeing massive growth. You're seeing how many energy names have you seen not just reinstate their dividend, but are raising their dividends and paying special dividends? That's how much money they're generating. Oil prices are through the roof. It's like energy on this pullback. Some of the gold are like high margin stocks because they have pricing power. So a lot of those names on that list, I focus on names in major growth trends like EVs, ESG, Metaverse. And by the way, I'm going to the Consumer Electronics Show first week in January. Pay close attention. I'll be doing live broadcasts through TikTok and also posting a lot of this stuff on our website. But pay close attention. I've been going to this thing for like 9-10 years, and the innovation has been crap. It's all been, how do we enhance the current AI and 5G and streaming? And we haven't seen tons of innovation to get you excited. And we heard about EVs, but now it's here. The EV market's here. It's not just Tesla. You're going to see a lot of more of these things on the road next year. Rivian got Car of the Year. They're starting to deliver right now. But I'm going to be interviewing a lot of companies, a lot of these trends, looking into it. And this is the event where the most technologies go. Thousands and thousands of the biggest technology companies in the world, they all go there to launch their product. This is what they're going to launch over the next 3 to 6 months. They get all awards and everything, and having the access that we have, the media access, again, because of you and podcasts and influencer and industry analysts and stuff like that, we have access to almost everything and anyone we want, and which is really, really cool. So we're planning all those meetings now. So definitely pay attention because we'll find, trust me, I always do find diamonds in the rough. 2019, last time I attended, I told you Kodak. I didn't tell you why, but they had a major presence there. Insiders were buying. Technology was pretty cool. I want to look into it. And I said, guys, you just might want to put this on your radar as a speculative buy. And I think it was like $2 and it went to 10, 11, 12 or something. And you always find good IDs here. You're looking at more trends. Crypto. I really love crypto, as you know. And crypto is, if you're looking at crypto, forget about looking at Bitcoin every single day and it goes down and then you're going to see the Peter Schiff tweets and it's saying, it's worthless and it's garbage. And, when it goes higher, then you have all the bulls and the Winklevoss twins and stuff like that. And I get it, right? They have, they're putting their money where their mouth is, right? Forget about that in short-term price movements. The biggest innovation is coming from crypto. It's going to come out of crypto. You're looking at DeFi, still in its infancy. Security tokens starting to really, really take off. You look at NFTs are on fire right now. Holy cow. They're still on fire. People are like, oh, NFTs are fad. It's not a fad. NFTs are not a fad. DAO, you're looking at the metaverse. The metaverse is going to flow through crypto. Look at the companies. Not too difficult to find. I don't want to give any away because we have one of those names in our crypto intelligence portfolio, which is up several 100%. And several 100% over the past couple of months. This is the opportunity that you're seeing in crypto, gains that you can't really get in the market. You have to be in the right areas. You're going to see ups and downs. You got to be very, very careful. Don't go all in on anything. If you're going to invest, say if you're going to invest, $1,000, if it's $250 and then another $250 if it comes down a little bit or, whatever, but just scale into these names because we have names in our portfolio. The average gain is up over 850%. The average gain, talk about even with the losers in the portfolio. So we're looking at 20x returns on several of these, 30x returns. I think a 1 or 2 of them, a lot of 10x returns. Those names, a lot of those names were down 20, 30% for us at one time. If you're looking at 2018, 2019, so use that volatility to your advantage because it's here. It's a $2 trillion market and institutions are late to the party. They're dying to get into this industry right now. Those institutions are dying. And this is going to be their opportunity to get in. I mean, you're looking at the results and you're looking at numbers from like Silvergate and Galaxy. I mean, and the partnerships that they're signing with investment banks. I mean, this is the early state. We're still very, very early into crypto. But most of the innovation is going to come out of there, especially over the next decade or so. You have to be invested in this. You have to learn about it. Take the hours and learn about it. It's not that easy. But you'll still be well ahead of the curve as most people, believe it or not, are still not invested in crypto. I think it's crazy. I mean, it's the biggest returns of my life in crypto over the past 2-3 years. Also, dividends should be huge next year. You're looking at conservative funds, trillions of dollars. They're going to crave defensive names that are raising their dividends. So you get some I like, Morgan Stanley, Devon, Alcoa, Newmont Mining, since they're generating massive cash flow. Gold, over $1,700 an ounce. I think by 2023, I'm pretty sure it's Morgan Stanley, but don't quote me on that. I think it was Morgan Stanley has a $2,200 or $2,300 target on gold, which is interesting. But even at $1,700 or $1,600 an ounce, these guys, their all-in costs are well under $1,000. And now with gold really depressed, they're able to purchase some amazing products and projects at dirt cheap prices. But a nice dividend name there, Newmont. These guys are paying dividends, generating massive cash flow. Those are some of the names I like.